Labas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo.
No signal, because we don't know where to go.
At kunin ng ibon dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
Wala yung signal. We've crossed now 2 rivers. Then, anak si tatay na ang nagdaan na we need to cross another 3 rivers. Then, there's a couple na muna sila na sa next na river. Okay, we will stop there. Pero, I convinced them na
Palayo sa maraming
nice naman here. Pero, I don't think we should settle for that. We should go.
sa maingay at malabong mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging habagat at hampas ng alon dumudulog at niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan.
Finally! Nanghangin dere. Hiking naman ni mo. How was your hike here?
It felt good. New experience.
Diba?
Na